Hello everyone, good day. In today's video, I will show you a free alternative for the GitHub Copilot, which is Codeium. You can see it's Codeium, Codeium. So if you go to the pricings here, see for individual, it's free. Okay. And as you know, Copilot is paid service. So if you want some free alternative, just like that, you can use Codeium. Okay. So inclusion of this is very easy. Just go to the dashboard and you can try it in your browser, or you can get the extension from all the IDs, most of the IDs. Okay, such as JetBrains, NeoVim, Visual Studio Code, Vim, etc. Okay, let's see it in action. When you click here, it will suggest you for quick install. I have already installed. If you installed the Codeium, first of all you have to do the login here. Okay, after login and install the extension in your Visual Studio Code, you can see, just search for Codeium. Here it will show you Codeium is successfully installed and login. Okay, so what I will do, let's create a sample JavaScript file. Let's open it in a VS Code editor. So if you see the options here, it will suggest most of the languages you use in your day-to-day life. So let's see. First of all, what you can do, let's write a comment here. It will always auto suggest the next text for you. Let's write the what we want. Okay, so this is my intended prompt. Let's give enter here. See, after it's generating the suggestions, you have to click tab, so it will appear here. Let's write another function. Give enter. So let's as it not suggesting anything, let's try with different prompt, more precise. See, it's giving you the solution. If you accept this one, just hit tab. Okay, so what other functionalities it will provide? If you want to refactoring, it will also generate you a chatbot like experience. Let's click on refactor. It will show you the available things, like if you want to generate unit test for this function, just click here. So a new window will appear, open here. See, it's a bot like experience here. As I am saying, generate unit test for these functions, it will generate the test case here. Okay, also you can ask many more things in this area. Okay, let's refactor again. Let's if you want to add comments here, I will click on this one. So what it will do, it will rewrite your functions. That means, see, this is the commented code here. and this is the new code with the documentations. Okay, so I think in your day-to-day life this extension can be very helpful to you. Okay, so this is just a preview of the extension. Hope I will make a details video regarding this extension in future. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.